Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting tool that is available on the internet in today's time and age. And if you're thinking about selecting different products to sell on your eBay, then this is definitely the video for you, because we're going to talk about the strategy and the tool that you can use to enhance your dropshipping business on ebay.com. Now, one of the elements that you have to keep in mind whenever you're starting a dropshipping business is the sort of support that you can get. And when you're using this tool, which is called Zinc Analytics, you can get the support, the assistance, and the guidance that you need to scale your business and become a successful dropshipper on ebay.com. That can empower your business with a smart insight, and then you can actually dominate the market. You can join over 100,000 sellers that have trusted and started to grow their eBay business by using Zinc Analytics. So basically, if you're trying to list as many products in the hope that some of them might sell, that is completely wrong, guys, and that is not a strategy that you should be applying to. You need to understand some basic elements before you start selling on eBay. And if you are uploading random product based on hunches and gut feelings, you will definitely face a lot of difficulties, and you would feel disheartened as well, because sometimes they will not work. And if you want to set your prices based on other price sellers and your in strikes, which is completely the wrong strategy that you have, and if you're copying other sellers' titles and hopes buyer will find your products, then you're on the road of destruction. You got to make sure that you are a very unique seller and you set yourself apart and become a leader in the industry. And with the help of Zinc Analytics, you can actually achieve every single one of these elements. They remove the guesswork from your product research, and you use the sales data to grow your eBay stores faster. And that's one of the things I always mention to everyone that watches our videos, is the fact that the more research that you do, the more support that you get from organization, enterprises, tools, and platforms that are already available, that are doing research and providing you the correct information for you to select the right product to sell on your dropshipping stores. You will always get a competitive advantage. And obviously, there's a lot of individuals that would do primary research, go ahead and search themselves, and then base those findings upon their imported lists. And that will cause a lot of problems for them in the present and also in the future. And that is the reason why I always mention to people to make sure that they do their research in the proper manner, and there's no need to actually recreate the wheel. You can use all the amazing tools that are available on your disposal, because we live in the age of the internet today, guys, and there are so many enterprises, organizations, and platforms that are available that are here to support you and to help you to understand the profitability of different niches, so you can focus on multiple niches and always select a winning product in those niches. You can also uncover hot products and set the right prices for those products to sell, prices that people are willing to pay, prices which are profitable for you at the same time and will help you scale your business. You can build your titles that attract buyers, and you can see if a product or a niche has demand and is likely to be profitable before listing the actual item. You can check the demand, you can check the supply and the competition statistics to discover the hottest products to sell and make as much profit as possible, while maximizing your sale for examining the price analytics and understanding what buyers are searching for and bringing them your listing using the keywords. Is faster, it's easier, and it's more profitable if you use Zinc Analytics. You won't need to do manual research, from workflows to speeds to skills to profitability and the products. Using Zinc Analytics, you can easily find user-friendly interfaces, automate the tools that'll help you find the hot products and grow your store faster than with 100 million products from 20 suppliers, and uncover the low competition, high demand, and high profit products, and products that are backed by sales data, so they're likely to sell. And obviously, since 2016, Zinc Analytics has helped over 100,000 individuals to start and grow their eBay business with cutting-edge eBay product research software that are analyzing thousands of listings to find profitable items to sell on eBay and rank your products higher than your competitors, and discover the best categories and keywords with fast, accurate, actionable eBay product research. And that is the one of the elements that I personally believe can really differentiate and set you apart your store. And one of the things that I need to mention, and I feel is very crucial whenever you're going for a platform to actually use to scale your business, is to see what kind of resources and training that they would provide. And with the Zinc Analytics, you get the Zinc Academy, you get the live chat support and the educational content. And with the access to the free online courses that teaches you how to start finding hot products to grow your eBay store, and their live support is available to answer any questions that you might have to support you as you start selling. And you're going to learn everything that you need to sell on eBay from hundreds of hours of YouTube videos and training webinars. So the support, the assistance, and the guidance you get with Zinc Analytics is absolutely brilliant. So you might be thinking, how much is this going to cost you? Now this is where everything gets really interesting, guys. You have 3 different plans that are available: the Pro, the Pro Plus, and the Enterprise. Now you can pay monthly or you can pay yearly. Now if you pay yearly, you actually save a little, but if you pay monthly, you will also get some sort of discounts. The Pro provides a professional research tool for making data-driven business decisions for $14.99 for the first month, and you can start your trial for $1 right now and see for yourself what kind of benefit that you can get. You get product research, competitor research, category research, and title builder with item finder. The Pro Plus provides big data and automations for increasing the market share to the next level at $29.99 for the first month. You can also try it out for $1 right now. You get all the features for the Pro, and add to that, you get 500 best-selling eBay items. Always know what the best sellers are, guys. With a bulk scanner, you can instantly find thousands of Amazon and Walmart dropship items. And with the Ali Growth Scanner, you can gather data on trends coming from AliExpress. And with the Enterprise at $44.99 for the first month, provides a complete automation and maximum data to capture all the possible opportunities. With the Autopilot, automatically finding the dropshipping products from AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. With the Turbo Scanners, automatically discovering the best-selling dropship items from Amazon and Walmart are going to be available for you guys. Now, if you go for the yearly, you'll actually save a little bit as well. You can pay $209.91 for 1 year, saving you $19 in general. For Pro Plus, you can go for $359.92, and for the Enterprise, you can go for $449.93 per year. And obviously you can try each one of them out for $1 right now and see for yourself what kind of support, guidance, and assistance that you can get with this absolutely brilliant tool. And that is the reason I always mention to everyone that watches our videos to make sure that they're able to find the right product, the right tool, and the right assistance to help them grow their businesses. And when you combine each one of them, you can actually see how much difference it's going to make. Now, you don't have to go with the Enterprise off the bat. You can always start with the Pro, then go to the Pro Plus, and then go to the Enterprise. Move step by step, guys, because at the end of the day, the gradual growth of any organization is the crucial element of the success that they will achieve in the long run. And any company that grows too fast collapses, and any company that grows slowly collapses as well. And that is the reason I always say slow and steady wins the race, guys. Now, if you got any questions, if you need any support, if you need any assistance whatsoever, you can always drop me a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you have anything that you need to add or feel that we should do an analysis of another tool, you can always drop us a comment in the comment section below, and I will definitely give it a consideration. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, so more people can find out about how simple, easy, and straightforward it is to use Zinc Analytics to scale their business on eBay and become financially independent and break away from the 9 to 5. So stay tuned for our next video, guys. Until then, take care.